beautiful people, my name is Selma. If you are new here, welcome. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to do a crochet hairstyle at home. For those who may not know, I own a hair salon for over a decade where I specialize in various styles, and sometimes I even do my own hair. This is the first video about hairstyle on this channel, so if you like to see more content like this, please like, subscribe and comment to let me know if you enjoy this video. When it comes to crochet braids, they don't have to look perfectly neat, they just need to be tight. Of course, if I'm working on a client hair, it will look more professional. For this style, I'm going to do 6 cornrows and leave some hair out. Since this is my first time using this particular hair, I want to make sure I don't run out. Also, I want to mention that with crochet hairstyle, the more cornrows you have, the more hair you will need. So if you're doing your own hair, it is important to consider how you want your crochet style. Do you want it full or you want a less hair? Once you decide that, you can determine how many cornrows you will need.
Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife.
This is the hair I'm going to use today. I got it from Amazon and the brand is Wigs. It is human hair, and as I mentioned, this is my first time using it. I have total 2 packs. It comes 2 bundles in each pack. I got 18 inches and 16 inches. The hair looks very fluffy, soft and light. It looks great, so we'll see how it holds up over the next few days. Okay, I separated the hair. I have 18 inches in one side and I have 16 inches in the other side. I'm going to start with 16 inches and then I'll finish with 18 inches. I decided to double mine because it's quite thin. You can use a single one, or you can double, you can triple, whatever you prefer.
Watch your love for like it, why not more than your body, check it, but she ready, yeah, imade, double see le kilo fe, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my you, I'ma need your gun, I go my you, I'ma need your gun, maybe, do maybe, I don't money there, they do maybe don't go carry belly, they do maybe, let one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a bomb, make a bomb, make a bomb, make a see, but the bomb, your body, make a bomb, on a make it, get a bomb, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I yes you want I go there, Okini nafia, Okini baby, Okini Remy, plenty money, Okini nafia, Okini baby, Okini Remy, plenty money, toke makewa, weya motola, Messi agbe oya, palanga mori ijoya, shade ijoya, take a wole patako, I'm a sexy mama, follow me come on ijoya.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I mean the mess of my mind, and I mean to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you can leave. I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Back till the morning, my want to come from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, the graphic killer man. At the gang, for me gang, pussy run up with your boy. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never